Welcome everyone. It's time for our viewers call-in segment. We have Mr. Soon on the line from Bedok. Hi Mr. Soon.
Hello.
So what are your views on global warming?
Well, Rome's is absolutely right. Deforestation is one of the main causes of global warming. As we all know, photosynthesis is a process which takes place in the day when oxygen is given out. However, when the number of trees being cut down increases, the amount of carbon dioxide builds up, and in the end, more heat is trapped on the earth.
Indeed, Mr. Soon, you have brought up a very good point regarding global warming. Back to our Click 5 members. Do you have any idea or solution to decrease the number of trees being cut down?
Well, we can reuse the paper that we have used before.
Yes, or we can use new ways to create paper. Of course, I know it's not easy. Maybe you should use the 3R, reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Certainly the 3 R's. Reuse, reduce, and recycle. That's the way to go. We have come to the end of our show today, and a big thank you to our viewer, Mr. Soon, for calling in, and also another big thank you to Click 5 for the time with us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Until our next episode of Band It Together, goodbye.